TidyCal, most calendar tools are weighed down by complicated features you'll never need. I'm not sure what round robin is, but it sounds messy. Worst of all, you're paying monthly subscription fees to access features you aren't actually using. Wish there was one simple tool that made it easy to book meetings, get paid, and manage your calendar? Meet TidyCal. Awards TidyCal 3.0 The Simple Calendar and Booking Solution. Product Hunt TidyCal 3.0 The Simple Calendar and Booking Solution. Product Hunt TidyCal 3.0 The Simple Calendar and Booking Solution. Product Hunt TLDR Manage your calendar easily with integrations, custom email reminders, auto-created meeting URLs, and more. Create free and paid booking options with custom booking pages that sync to your calendar at a glance. Best for marketing agencies, product managers, sales managers, alternative to Calendly Doodle integrations, Google, PayPal, Stripe, Zapier, Zoom features GDPR compliant, allows existing accounts. Overview TidyCal is a scheduling app that makes it easy to manage your calendar and get more bookings for any kind of meeting. With TidyCal, you can set up different booking types based on your meeting needs, like paid, free, recurring, and group booking options. Use date polls for voting on the meeting date, eliminating the endless back and forth trying to find a time that works for everyone. And because you can create unlimited types of bookings with different time durations, you'll be able to accommodate literally any way folks want to meet with you. Create different booking types, create unlimited booking types for every style of meeting, one-on-one, group, paid, free, and so much more. For the cherry on top, TidyCal offers tons of integrations for your favorite tools and existing workflows via Zapier, API, and AppSumo Connect. This app integrates with Google Calendar, Apple iCal, and Microsoft 365 Calendar to read your calendars for your real-time availability and automatically sync new bookings. The Zoom and Google Meet integrations generate meeting URLs and add them to the calendar invite on autopilot. Plus, it's a cinch to pay and get paid with Stripe,